right all the time if you want to enjoy the time you live. Time is not money. Time is everything. So spend your time loving everything you do and everyone in your life. When your time comes, you will be missed a whole lot more because you always found a way to fix